Sending money to Pakistan with TapTap Send is fast, affordable, and easy. Here's how to do it in just 6 steps. Step 1. Open the TapTap Send app. Sign into your account and tap Send Money to get started. Step 2. Select Pakistan as your destination. Choose Pakistan from the list of countries you can send to. Step 3. Add your recipient's details, enter their name, and choose how they'll receive the money, bank account or mobile wallet. Step 4. Enter the amount, type in how much you want to send, and check the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Step 5. Choose a payment method. Pay using your debit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Step 6. Confirm and send. Review all the details, tap send, and track your transfer right from the app. And that's it. Your money is on its way to Pakistan, fast and secure with TapTap Send.